Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Grow Collaborative haul that I do every month. This month I got the Method Stain Remover. I really like it. The only downside is that if you put it on color clothes, if you put too much of it, it actually bleaches the clothes. But other than that, it's actually really good. I also got the Grow Collaborative scrubs. I get them all the time, so that's nothing new. The Method Antibiotic Toilet Cleaner is one of my favorites, and it's a staple in my house. It does a really good job. I also get the room fresheners every month, and today I got the lavender scent. It's my kid's favorite, so that's why I get it, and my husband really liked that one too. I also got the 7th generation Powerful Clean dishwasher detergent packs. Those ones are really good. I really like them. The hand soaps, I always get Mrs. Meyer's, and this time I got lavender. I also get Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I got this one in lemon verbena. It's not my favorite, but I accidentally clicked it. I also like the Method Wood for Good Squirt and Mop. It's for wooden floors. I like it. It's actually really good, and it doesn't leave a little sticky residue, which I hate. I got the all multi-surface purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's, the Lat-like scent. I also got these tissues. I don't even know why I put them in here, honestly, because I don't really use them. We just kind of keep them just in case. We also got this Ultra Bath tissue. That one actually was free. It came with the order. I love these soaps. I love them so much. I highly recommend them. Adega Vanilla and Sandwood Soy Candle. It's really good. The Daily Shower Cleaner, the Method Antibiotic All-Purpose Cleaner in Bamboo. It's one of my favorites. And then I also got the Method Antibiotic Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint. I really like this, and I love the smell. It gives like a really freshy smell. I also got these towelettes. They're like the dishcloths. I use them for my ceramic pans. The last thing I got is the Grow Collaborative brush. I get it every month because I use one every month and then I throw away the old one. So yeah, this is my Grow Collaborative haul this month. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!